One. All right, here we are on 14th of February with a very special guest. That is Ankita Srivastav. Ankita, we're hosting you for the second time, and I'll give the backstory in a different video maybe. But we'll go for the formal round of introductions straight away, Ankita. And I just want to put it out there that I think some people in general in law inherit a profession, and some people inherit a legacy and then probably decide to globalize it. And I'm not even exaggerating. When you if you watch this video and you listen to Ankita's journey, you will feel exactly the same. Ankita was born into a third generation family of lawyers. She could have, I think, taken the predictable route, and that is something that's not there. But I think you could have. But you went ahead, instead of choosing comfortable reputation, secure position. You went ahead and showed the world that you had different plans. I think from what I've gathered from your journey, Ankita, that law for you isn't just about a courtroom. I think it is about the world. You started your legal writing as a law student to work under an AOR at the Supreme Court, and then you proved that you could thrive there when the pressure is high and stakes are higher.
Yeah.
मिरांडा हाउस हो, जहाँ या फिर कैंपस लॉ सेंटर हो, जहाँ पर आपने लॉ डिग्री अर्न करी, एंड देन ऑब्वियसली यू went ahead and studied international law at Harvard University. You still doing management from Symbiosis. You've cleared the UGC net, and if there is any fact that is incorrect, please correct me.
No, it's
You
all
qualified
good.
enough to become to teach law, and I think apparently just mastering one dimension of law isn't just enough for you. We were just speaking before this, and you're also building something. We'll talk a little bit about that also. You're also already the founder of Gavel Speaks, right? You've led
Yeah.
so many international projects across US, Europe, India, Australia, UAE. I think even in the first initial 6 months, I read a post about how you handled over 50 global matters, from cross-border negotiations to
Yeah.
mediation events for international clients, and also to supporting pro se litigants in the United States of America, right?
Yeah.
Is somebody who served as a council member at WCCI India, Italy Business Council. You are also a member of the American Bar Association. You've authored 150 plus publications. That's a different topic I want to talk about. And you're obviously recognized amongst the top 100 influential women in India. And at the same time, we are also advocating for mental health awareness, championing emotional intelligence in the legal profession.
Yeah.
I have also understood that law for you isn't just about argument, it is about empathy. I think you're a lawyer who does not speak for the gavel, even though the name says so. You are somebody who speaks across continents and, for a lot of innovation and discovery, and also sort of for the students today on Open Floor with Nishank. Thank you so much for joining us here today, Ankita.
My pleasure.
Okay. All right. So, Ankita, we were talking a little bit about your education. I mentioned the Miranda House, and I also mentioned Harvard, and then Symbiosis. I just wanted you to put this out because also I also want to understand as an individual the kind of societies that, especially if in India you come from. Did nobody ever tell you that Ankita कितना पढ़ रही हो? If I can be that direct, कि अभी भी पढ़ाई चल रही है. That is my
Yeah.
first question, and
People
also
still
then we'll
still
talk
say
about.
that
They,
right
they
now. Like, yeah,
say
yeah,
that.
yeah. Even today.
Okay. And no, also, like, what is your sort of inspiration to study? I mean, we had covered a little bit the last time also. I know you're somebody who was passionate about learning, and but what is the career journey like in terms of education? Also, fundamentally, for any law student that watches, why do you make these choices? You shift
Hmm.
ahead, you went ahead from political science to doing
Yeah.
an LLB degree to studying international law at Harvard. This is such a beautiful combination you have there, and then doing an MBA. And that is quite different from the traditional path that people generally take.
Yeah.
They do an LLB followed by an LLM, or they mostly go for a 5 year integrated degree, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
There with BLLB, BBLLB, and then they start to practice law or go for a corporate law firm job. So first, let's just focus on the education part, and maybe you can tell us a little bit about how your journey went through there.
Yeah. So started with Pol Science honors because I thought that there was a need of a foundation before I got into law.
Okay.
Because law is something which is like little complicated and needs a little mindset, a wider mindset to understand the
Correct.
nuances. So I thought a base is important, and I still feel so. I I'm more in favor of 3-year law degree
Okay.
than 5 years, because I feel a foundation is very important. So
Correct.
Pol Science honors gave me that foundation. I understood politics, and politics and law are integrated, as we all know.
Okay.
So that gave me the foundation, and Campus Law Center, which is Delhi
Hmm.
University, was on my mind that I have to crack uh,
Right.
this one, because it's the best institute. It's Delhi University, and top
Yes.
lawyers and judges are from this institute, right?
Correct.
So
Correct.
why
Correct.
not aim for the sky
Right.
and
Absolutely.
try?
Absolutely.
So I took coaching. I studied very hard in the
Hmm.
final year of my Pol Science, and I cracked
Acha.
the entrance. I got into the law school,
Right.
and I loved being a lawyer. I still do. Like, if somebody says that what else can you do for life, I'll say nothing else, because I love all aspects of law and I want to
Right.
be a student of law for my life.
Right.
That's the mindset that I started with.
Okay.
Maybe
Okay.
it came from my father or my grandfather, I don't know, but
Right.
that's the mindset that I started with. And I then thought that if I'm done with my LLB and I've learned so much, why not go international? you know
Right.
More for the exposure than studies, to be honest,
Correct. 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 Correct.
because that's where I learned that yes, law is possible beyond borders. It's not just
Absolutely.
India that I can serve in. I can work globally, and I met a lot of people, networked, my mind opened to a lot of other
Right.
things.
Right. Right.
So like I always say that to students, that not just for like studies, don't go abroad if you
Hmm.
just want to do LLM, or it will
Hmm.
not teach you any practical skills. Like, let's be
Okay.
honest, it will give you an insight on how the world works and how to survive it.
Right.
Right. So that's been my intention with my education, to give me a different perspective on different kinds of things that I can do with law.
Okay. 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 Also, like I think the cross-cultural exchange, like you said, that it opens up doors, and probably it is so true. In terms of also the kind of paths that you have taken, we'll talk about that.
Yeah. Yeah.
But okay, I just wanted to understand this when you said that you prefer that over a integrated degree, or just going for a why is that the case? Do you feel that BA, BBA, or integrated degrees aren't doing as good?
Yeah, I that might be controversial, like,
Okay.
but
Okay.
I have a strong preference for a 3-year one. Why?
Okay.
Because once you graduate, like once you get done with your exams, you get a result right after 12th class, you're not ready for law.
Okay.
You're not like, you don't know the basics of the world, right? And
Okay.
you're thrown into a law school.
Okay. Yes, that's
So
true.
initial,
Uh, if I could, sorry, I'll cut you in between. And I
yeah,
understand why you said that. Okay. Let's say you're doing a 5-year integrated degree, right? I think when you say it's a controversial opinion, it's only for people who do not understand either the nuances that can come in, or who are willing to commit 5 full years for an integrated degree. See, I'll tell you why. If you're not sure, especially like you said, even if you're not sure of the word, forget about the degree itself. The three
yeah,
year gives you a leeway to do anything else. आप अगर
yes,
वो कर रहे हो,
yes,
आप किसी और चीज में भी switch कर सकते हो. I don't have
right,
to go ahead and do an LLB degree only. I
right,
can do that, and I can go ahead and do a master's in political science. I can work with some MP or
yeah,
XP, whatever, right? I can
yeah.
work with some think tank. But अगर मैं 5 year commit करता हूँ,
Then you have to.
you have to finish it, right? So okay, that is actually a very wise sense, and it's also, I think, कुछ लोगों को पहले से पता होता है, like they know that they want to do this,
And
for
kudos
them
to those people,
yeah,
but
yeah,
not everybody does. People
correct,
are
correct.
doing law for all the wrong reasons.
Correct, correct. Okay, let's talk about those wrong reasons, one of them being money. But irrespective, apart from that, also, I just also wanted to understand when you said that. I mean, I think also I have a recommendation more than that. I wanted to understand. You said, I don't know what I'd be doing if I was not pursuing law. I think you'd become a content creator. If anybody wants to understand how to create good LinkedIn content, I'll just say LinkedIn, because I've worked in this space for about 8 to 10 years. So I have some sort of understanding, not much. But the
Yeah.
way you write your content, the hook, then there is another hook, then there is followed by a lot of, value driven writing that you
Yeah.
do. So if anybody wants to check out Ankita's LinkedIn profile, please do. Please obviously be very respectful to her and reach out to her only if you have any useful remarks to make. But in general, Ankita, even beyond this, okay, you're somebody who went ahead, did that international thing, and you said that let's be practical. It is not so much for the learning of the skill sets as it is for the exposure and learning more about life, about yourself,
Yeah.
and XYZ other things. बट आपने वहां से बिजनेस भी खड़ा किया, यू अर्न मनी ऑल्सो, एंड यू ओपेंड, दिस इज probably the forbidden door.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you from experience with whatever law students we are dealing with, more than 10,000 plus law students across our community, and we see that the traditional route is third, fourth year, may fifth year, may you try and get into a placement. You try to get into either a campus placement या आपको कहीं से नौकरी मिल जाए. That is sort of, and that is for different reasons, maybe financial,
Yeah.
maybe whatever educational, or you
Hmm.
want to be in that and you don't even know that
You
what a
don't know.
corporate law firm entails. Some people might even understand the nitty-gritties of it, some might not. There's a lot of hodgepodge here.
Yeah.
Here I see another person who comes in, who is like, I'm going to take this route. And for somebody who's maybe a third generation, I have seen very seldom people actually taking this path. They would just go ahead and practice in litigation maybe, or in some other space which is like already aapke liye kuch, there is already something made there, and so
Yeah.
that you can just start building upon that. That foundation is there, but here that's not the case. How
No.
does this international scene पूरा कैसे work करता है? आप
Hmm.
कैसे क्लाइंट्स के साथ डील करते हो? A lot of the law students do not understand how freelancing works.
Yeah.
So if you can share some insights about that.
Yeah. So, see, these are the things that no course can teach you. You learn
Correct.
things by doing, right? And for that, you have to start.
Okay.
So, for international work, freelancing, I would say, see, I started when not a lot of people were doing it. 3 4 years back, if you go, there was not a lot of talk about freelancing or even AI as we have today,
Correct. Correct.
right? A lot of courses. But yeah, I did have some mentors, to be
Okay.
honest. You
Okay.
cannot do such things without the right people around you. So
Okay.
I always say this even on my LinkedIn post, get a mentor. Find the right people you can talk to. Don't just talk to your friends or your relatives who will give you, old advice which is not relevant today. Talk to people
Correct.
who are already doing better than you.
Right. Right. Right.
That's a hack to growth, I feel.
Absolutely.
Right. So I found the right mentors at the right time who guided me and who showed me the way of freelancing and getting international clients. And I watched a lot of YouTube videos. I had a notebook full of like cover letters on how to approach client, what to say in my first line, how to close my message, how to add a CTA. So the nuances of communication is something that I learned, and it was like mind boggling
Right.
because nobody taught me this in law school.
Right.
I just,
Absolutely.
yeah, knew the law, but how do I really approach the client? What's the communication skill I need to have?
Hmm.
Right? That is not being taught.
Correct.
And I learned that on the job,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So but with the right mentors, with the right people, and I kept doing it.
Okay. So you kept on going with it, and also
Yeah.
like what you said, I think if you're the smartest person in a room, then you are in the wrong room.
You are in the wrong
So,
room. Yes.
correct. So you probably grow and go through life with people who've, at least doing, I guess, a little bit better than you. There's always room for growth
Yes.
there. But Ankita, okay, let's say I am somebody who wants to start today. मुझे कोई
Hmm.
आइडिया नहीं है फ्रीलांसिंग का. आप हो, आपने अक्रॉस द ग्लोब वर्क किया है, राइट?
Hmm.
व्हाट इज एन एडवाइस दैट यू वुड गिव टू मी अगर मैं
Hmm.
आज अपवर्क चलाने लग जाऊं, या
Huh.
कोई भी और फ्रीलांसिंग के थ्रू आई वांट टू स्टार्ट टेकिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट.
Hmm.
Somebody who has gone through the thick and thin of this, what is the first advice you would give me, ki Nishank, this is where you start?
First of all, the mindset, the approach, and I also tell it to a lot of students. Apply nahi karte log, but this is one very simple thing. What people do is when they make their profiles or when they approach a client, they sell themselves. I can do this. I have this much year of experience, I have done these many internships. But where are you talking about the client's problem?
Correct.
Right. And
Correct.
even I get a lot of internship, messages, and ma'am, please give us an internship, and they send their CVs. Everywhere people are talking about themselves. If you see Upwork profile, it's all about, okay, I have 2 years of experience, I can do this, I have done this. Where are you talking about the client? Why will anybody be interested in you more than themselves? That's the psychology
Correct.
of it.
Correct.
Right.
Correct.
So you have to talk about the client problem, and then in that context, you talk about your qualifications.
Correct.
So
Correct.
you, in every communication, in every profile that you build, be it LinkedIn, be it
Right.
Upwork, any platform,
Right.
start talking about and start discovering what the client problem is. If you are targeting US clients for contract drafting, let's say,
Correct. Correct.
you see that what kind of contracts do they need? What is the bottleneck they are facing? What
Correct.
is the struggle they are facing with their legal teams?
Right. Right.
Right. And you simplify that and you offer a service. It will take thinking, and that's what a lot of people don't want
Missing.
to do. Right. That's the missing. They just create a profile,
Right.
just have a picture, create a profile, and they send multiple proposals and they don't get a reply. This is the most common scenario.
Okay.
And they will not.
They will not be
They will
getting.
not get replies.
Okay.
I
Okay.
can tell this because I did the same thing initially, but then
Acha.
I understood that approach needs to change.
Okay.
I like there were mentors, and there are a lot of YouTube videos also out there
Right.
which
Right.
you can watch. All of them tell that you have to talk about the client. That's the number one rule of communication if you want to
Correct.
get clients at
Correct.
any stage of your career.
Correct. 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 I think
Right.
in even in sales, the art of personalization matters a lot. And we
Yes.
keep on repeating it to people who are, even if you're closing a client worth 1 lakh, 1 crore, 10
But
CR from whatever limited
yeah.
amount of clientele I have worked with, and I'm putting it out very humbly. I think the idea is that as good as you are, they would be more interested in understanding how you can take a nuanced approach to the problem that they're dealing with.
Yes.
And I think
Yes.
that is probably where you understand how the pain points and the pressure points work, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
that is, I think, what you are also trying to say. But okay, मैंने अपवर्क पे बना लिया, मैं समझ गया कि मुझे कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉब्लम पे काम करना है, प्रॉब्लम को समझना है, and then I have to
हाँ.
sell myself according to that, and I have to
Hmm.
customize it as a service, but to the specific client. But I just wanted to understand the platforms also. You have built a 20,000 plus community on LinkedIn. 22,000 होने वाले हैं.
Hmm.
Not that we are talking, but 936 पे हो आप as we speak. तो 22,000 होने वाले हैं, whatever it
Yeah.
is. इंस्टा
Yeah.
पे आपकी अपनी कम्युनिटी है. अगर आप ये ग्रो कर रहे हो, फर्स्टली ऑल्सो लिंक्डइन को यूज करते हो फ्रीलांसिंग के लिए, डज इट हेल्प? डू यू थिंक क्लाइंट्स कम?
It does, yeah. There are a lot of inbound leads, and some of my biggest clients and most long-term clients have been through LinkedIn.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah, more
That's a
than
very
Upwork.
Acha, okay.
Huh.
That's a very different thing that I am hearing in terms of, but I think because also you do it across borders, is it true also for India? Do you get a lot of Indian clients, or are these
No,
okay?
no, most because when I post, I talk about US law
Ah,
and US founders,
correct, correct,
US clients.
correct.
So they approach me. But yes, some people in India who want to expand to US,
Right.
those approach me too, but
Approach,
mostly
okay.
like US related.
US related,
Yeah,
okay.
that's the positioning I want to put across, and that's been
करेक्ट,
very clear.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट, ओके. अंकिता, सो लेट्स से अगर मैं ये समझना चाहूँ कि चलो मैंने प्रोफाइल बनाई है, मैं प्रॉब्लम्स भी कर लेता हूँ, एंड मे बी आई हैव द बेसिक स्किल सेट्स आल्सो, वेयर डू आई स्टार्ट दिस स्टडी? सो अ लॉट ऑफ दीज पीपल who are studying here are studying in India, right? A lot of our
Hmm.
audience also is
Hmm.
watching you from India.
Right.
They are
Right.
either in their third year, fourth year, they're trying to navigate first
Hmm.
year, जो भी है.
Hmm.
Even if you're an advocate and you're still watching it, the idea is, अब मैं किस चीज की पढ़ाई करूं? डू आई नीड टू स्टार्ट रीडिंग क्रॉस बॉर्डर लॉज? कुछ ऐसे स्पेसिफिक सेट ऑफ लॉज हैं विच यू विल बी लाइक, निशंक यू शुड एटलीस्ट, ये तो आपको पता होना ही चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल,
Hmm.
अगर मैं कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ड्राफ्ट कर रहा हूँ इंडिया में, तो आई मस्ट नो द इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट, इट्स फंडामेंटल. सो डू यू
Hmm.
हैव एनी regulations, any laws like this in mind, which you know?
See, laws are searchable,
Okay.
and as a lawyer, you are trained to research laws.
Right, right,
That much, any lawyer, even I think in second year can do.
Correct.
Right.
Correct.
So I would not say that you need to be aware of certain laws before you start. But yes, once you get a client,
Okay.
you should be confident that yes, I can do it. I can research these laws, I can draft.
Okay.
Yes, one skill I would say you need to have an idea of and you need to know is drafting. Contract drafting is very important.
It's like fundamental, no?
Yes, it's not like that you can start without any idea of how contracts are drafted. Now that's a problem. Right. So take up a course. There's a lot of things available. Learn online. I mean, there's plethora of options
Correct.
available.
Correct.
Invest in yourself.
Correct.
Right. And get clients. Maybe like, there are a lot of short term projects which don't demand very heavy contracts, just like a 2-page NDA, for
Right.
example,
Correct.
that anybody can do. Any lawyer who knows the basics of contract drafting, who understands how non-disclosure works, can
Right.
research some templates, see what goes into it,
Right.
and can do it.
Right.
And similarly, when the next client comes, you search what the job is. If you can do it, apply. And you learn on the job, because if you keep waiting to be perfect and to learn every law out there, you will keep waiting.
Okay. 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 No, that's
Right.
correct. Or also, I think आपको ज़्यादा open भी होना पड़ता है with your
हाँ,
mindset. I think
हाँ,
once you've been handed over, last time we were talking a little bit about reading also.
yeah,
In general, matlab how you
yeah,
develop that skill set is also important.
yeah,
For somebody like you can probably read through something very quickly, understand it, and apply it. So you need to build that also. That is something that
yes,
you can work on as a skill set from your sort of daily work that you do. Maybe assign some amount of time to reading good articles, the way you
yes,
understand judgments or read judgments or whatever it is. Your art of comprehension should be good, right? Art
yes,
of discernment
exactly.
should be good.
Yeah.
Ankita, I'll be very transparent with you and I'll ask you a very fair question. This
Hmm.
is for a lot of the people, a lot of law students, this is not a path very regularly taken. Do you feel in your years of experience doing this, and across the crores of clients that you've sort of closed in terms of INR, do you feel that there are any downsides to
Of
pursuing this?
course,
There are.
of
Can you tell
course.
us a little bit about that also?
Um, Downsides, I would not say financially or like in terms of, let's say, emotionally more,
Okay.
because you are working endlessly alone,
Right.
first of all.
Right.
So most of the time I am in on my desk, sometimes late at night, sometimes at odd hours, sometimes on holidays. And
Correct.
I do miss out on a lot of family things, and a lot of personal things. So I
Right.
have to work relentlessly.
Mm.
That's not something which is talked about. This is not easy, right? Sometimes, and like, you won't believe, sometimes I sleep and at 4 a.m. there is a message on Upwork or LinkedIn or email, and I reply to client and I then sleep. So this is the kind of dedication which is needed if you want to build something long term,
Correct. Correct. Correct.
right? So emotionally, yes, there's a downside. And then a lot of people say that freelancing is not stable.
Mm.
This is something I want to address, that yes, a lot of times you feel that okay, I am earning well this month, but what about next month?
Correct.
Is the same amount of money going to come in next month also?
Right.
Right. And then you have to keep putting the hard work, that yes, I have to reach out to at least 10 people
Correct.
in this month to close at least 5 for the
Correct.
next month.
Correct. Correct.
So even while you're doing the legal work for the current client, you have to think about having another 5 clients for the next month.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
But
So
these
this is,
platforms do work. Sorry, like but
yeah,
you are convinced with the idea that these platforms do work. There is a
yes,
way around it. If you put
yes.
in the effort, if you figure out the nuances of it, you can also start your journey here.
Yes, yes, 100%. I mean, as a law student, there's like lot of work for you
Hmm.
across US, especially a lot of US solo lawyers, law firms, they need paralegals
Right.
for legal review of documents, basic documents, for
Right.
organization of documents,
Right.
for administrative work. So
Correct.
start there, build connections,
Correct.
right? For
Correct.
that, you need a strong LinkedIn. I always say this to people: if you're working across platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, but don't forget LinkedIn. LinkedIn is your long term growth engine.
Absolutely.
It's
absolutely.
like your CV these days. Nobody wants your resume. People check out your LinkedIn.
Correct, correct, correct. No, and it has all sorts of features also, right? Like you can understand, you can read a lot about in terms of performance review,
Yeah.
a lot of options to drop in recommendations
Yeah,
the people that
recommendation.
you're working in. So in that case, it becomes important. और मे बी हमारे कंट्री में शायद XYZ आज भी बहुत जगहों पे वो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स चल रहे हैं, बट फ्रॉम वट एवर एक्सपोजर आई हैव हैड विद इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट्स आई सी दे वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट okay, if you have a social media profile, can you share it with us? Can you
Yes.
just tell us more about the kind of work that you have done rather than
Yes.
the nuances of the kind of brands that I've worked with or XYZ? They are not very hell bent on, let's say if somebody has worked with JP Morgan or XYZ, whatever,
No,
they're
no.
more interested in the kind and the nature of work that you've put in also.
Yes. So
Right? And
your skill set, your ethics, your communication level, all that matters. And a lot of students come to me say that, ma'am, we are from non NLU
yeah,
law school. Like, will
I was,
this work still?
I was going to I was going to ask that, but yeah, you've already started addressing it. Please, on NLU versus NLU. Every time, every episode, one clip is.
Yes. So
Yes,
I think this is now where we're like a very old question. We have moved
yeah,
be much like ahead of this. It
correct,
should
correct,
be
correct,
like put to rest because nobody asked this. Nobody cares.
correct, correct.
If you
Oh,
can do the work, you get hired. It's as simple as that. And
okay,
for that, you have to also have portfolios, you need to have samples, you need to have visibility. You
correct.
need to post on LinkedIn, post
Hmm,
about your struggles, post about your problems also, because
hmm,
somebody will relate with it, somebody will notice you.
right.
Be active across different platforms. If you are planning to have your law firm, get a website also.
Hmm,
Keep posting on that. So there are a lot of channels, but see, all of this is very demanding also on the other side.
correct, correct.
Law, as we say, is a jealous mistress. I don't know if you have heard it. It takes all of your time and
Correct.
energy.
Ah.
And if you want to succeed, I mean, there's no other option.
Absolutely, absolutely. No, I've had somebody come on the platform and talk about how they've gotten married to the profession instead. And yeah, no, okay, I understand that. He said, if I were to quote him correctly, he said that, I've gotten married to the profession. समय
Yeah.
बचता है तो घर वालों को भी.
That's true.
Okay, but Ankita, okay, so just to put things in perspective also, because non-NLU, NLU and whatnot, see, I do understand that there is a certain sense of privilege that a lot of people might feel in terms of also with a lot of non-NLU top class colleges, right?
Hmm.
Private colleges and all of that. बहुत लोगों के लिए financial barrier एक reality है.
Yeah.
Correct, but maybe somebody cannot even spend 1 lakh rupees. I have students who cannot, whose parents cannot afford 1 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees for an
Course.
entire 5 year of education. It's okay. Those
Yes.
on those side of people are also there, but I think what you are also fundamentally taking, what you are stating, and I'm taking away from this sort of conversation is that skill sets to boss आप पैसे के बिना भी build कर सकते हो.
हाँ.
I want
हाँ.
to make it very clear. If you can afford
हाँ.
internet connection today, you can
Yeah.
build skill sets, you can start
हाँ.
somewhere, okay? And that has got nothing to do with just the idea or understanding of the kind of education you are receiving. And to be very honest and transparent with you, maybe Ankita, you can attest to it, and to all the students, uh, I think we've studied from decently top law colleges in the country, and it's not like कि तुम्हारी पूरी दुनिया बदल जाती है. Obviously there is a lot more
नहीं.
exposure, lot more change in environment, कुछ cross cultural immersion, all that benefits
Hmm.
are there. But आप ये सोच के कभी भी लाइफ को अप्रोच मत करो कि आप ऑलरेडी इतना पीछे चले गए हो कि you cannot even start the race. That's never the case,
No, no,
right?
no.
Do you agree with that?
100%. Because I've seen multiple examples of people coming from reputed law colleges, so-called reputed law colleges, and they have not made it.
Correct.
And I've seen a lot of people coming from non-NLUs, as somebody would say, and like doing it pretty well.
Fabulously well. Correct. Correct.
Yes. So it depends on how, like, कितना मतलब करना चाहते हो.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. नहीं, और एक वो ऐसे कहावत है ना, सिंगल शीट ऑफ पेपर कैन नॉट डिसाइड माय फ्यूचर वाला, तो वो क्लैट और ये वो एग्जाम ही है यार, आपको भी बहुत
हाँ.
फिगर आउट नहीं होता तब. इसके
ना
बाद
ना.
भी लाइफ आगे बढ़ती है. दैट
Yes.
इज व्हाई अंकिता इज सेइंग डू 3 year degree first, don't worry about clan and all of that.
Figure
And
it out. I mean, give 3 years to yourself, figure
yeah,
out things, figure out how world works, if you really want to do law or not, because there are a lot of options.
correct, correct.
So, like, don't jump into law because sab kar rahe hain.
सब कर रहे हैं, correct, correct, correct.
It's
It
very
should
wrong
not, you should not
approach.
just go with the flow here. You need to figure out your own niche also within what you want to do.
Hmm.
Law is so huge,
And
law is so vast also. Yeah,
yeah, and in today's time, what happens is everybody is like so in a hurry to get a degree.
correct.
And they feel that once they get a degree, their life will change. They will magically land up a great job and great work, and their life will be sorted. Nothing of that sort happens.
True, 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 true. In fact, a job has a lot less, and I'll tell it to you very transparently to whoever is watching. Uh, it has a lot less to do with your degree, more to do with your connections, more to this is the harsh reality,
Ha,
more
yeah.
to with your skill sets, and like Ankita also said, more to do with also with your mentors. If you find
Yes.
the right people
Hmm.
guide you well, who guide you with the basic nuances of things, then probably जहां से शुरू करते हैं हम और जहां पर एंड करते हैं उसमें जमीन आसमान का अंतर आ जाता है, and
Exactly.
that growth keeps on happening. Ankita, taking this conversation to a different fold and a very interesting one, in fact, आपने हमें ये बता दिया कि आप कहाँ से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, मे बी समथिंग लाइक आप क्या आप बेसिक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ड्राफ्टिंग की स्किल्स कर सकते हो, आप बेसिक स्किल सेट्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन डिसर्नमेंट ये सब पे बिल्ड करना शुरू कर सकते हो. बट अगर किसी को एक करियर रोड मैप बिल्ड करना है बियॉन्ड दिस ऑल्सो, बिकॉज यू आर समबडी हुज वर्कड, ऐसा नहीं कि आपने आपने एडवोकेट ऑन रिकॉर्ड के साथ भी काम किया है, राइट? You tried that out and then you've gone for something. It's not like you just decided out of thin air to do this freelancing thing. You've told us how demanding this
Yeah.
area or field is, and then there is a requirement in especially the United States with respect to paralegals. There is so much to do,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? इतने ऑप्शंस दिखते हैं. हम लॉ पे भी अभी बात कर रहे थे. इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स हो गया, लिटिगेशन हो गया, कॉर्पोरेट हो गया, लॉ फर्म चले गए, XYZ ऑप्शंस हैं. How do you figure out your niche? And this is
Hmm.
something which is very important क्योंकि you are somebody who's been bridging one thing onto another. अगर मैं आपकी जर्नी देखूंगा ना, आप जब कोई चीज फिगर आउट करते हो इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फिगरिंग आउट, एंड probably somewhere I'll make sure that the title of the episode is also around this, because whenever you figure out something, you एक लाइन खींच देते हो आप, and then you connect it to another, and then you connect it to another. This is your entire story, whether it is with social media platforms, whether it is with your journey in education and how you continuing to learn. ये नीश जो फिगर आउट करना है कि हाँ निशंक ये काम मैं करना चाहती हूँ, दिस आई हैव अंडरस्टूड. आपके पास क्या ऑप्शंस हैं? मतलब internships is one way. How else would you recommend somebody to figure out? I If I have not done intellectual property law ever, I
Hmm.
don't know about it. How do I decide whether that is good for me or not? If I've not gone to a trial court, I don't know what litigation looks like.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how do you figure out that niche, especially for law students?
See, first of all, accept that initially you will not be able to figure out.
Okay.
And
Okay.
that is fine.
All right.
For initial couple of years, I did not know what I wanted to do. I just had my degree and I was like, what do I do now?
Right.
And in that confusion, I passed UGC NET, to be honest.
Okay. Okay.
Right. So initially you'll not be able to figure out because I worked with an AOR. I like learned contract drafting. I worked with international clients. I uh, taught students also. Like in COVID, I used to
Right.
teach students
अच्छा.
a lot. That's
Okay.
when I was figuring out through different areas what I want to do for life.
Correct.
Right. So try as many things as possible.
Correct.
If you like from day one, somebody can be very clear, I want to go in IPR. Great for
Right.
them. But that's not true for a lot of people.
Right.
A
Right.
lot of us don't know what to do. If we want to go into litigation, teaching, or corporate or international, whatever, try different mediums. Work with a legal media house also. I did that initially, and my initial salary, you won't believe, was like 6,000 rupees.
Okay.
That's what I started with. I used to write articles. That's where
Correct.
my
Correct.
writing began.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Right. So, and that was very interesting. I enjoyed that.
Right.
Then I went into litigation. I see, देखते हैं ये क्या होता है.
Right.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में काम करना कैसा लगता है? Does it match the hype?
Right.
I
Right.
realized no, it doesn't excite me. I
Okay.
can't keep doing this every day because I need financial stability.
Correct.
That is pretty clear for me,
Right. Right.
right?
Right.
So I understood what I want out of life
Hmm.
and what interests me. Then I switched to teaching also. I
Hmm.
said teaching is good,
Hmm.
but this also I can't do for life. This
Okay.
is something on the side I want to
Side you
keep
could do.
doing,
Yeah.
mentoring people,
Right.
teaching. I like it, but
Yeah.
full time, no.
Okay. Okay.
Then I switched to Upwork and freelancing. I was like, I enjoy working with US people. This
Correct.
is something now I want to do. I want to like build a law firm, you
Right.
know, enhance my capabilities, build my
Right.
communication, because this gives me like a authoritative position,
Right.
and this gives me more perspective on how law works,
Right.
and more networking opportunities also, and I would travel also, because
Hmm.
I want to bring my life into law. Law is not separate from my life, right?
Right.
So the point of all of it is you figure out by doing different things. Initially don't stick to one thing कि मैं इसी टाइप की internship करूंगा या करूंगी, कुछ
Okay.
और नहीं. I worked for NCW also. I did internship.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I know that
So
you.
I was like, do I want to work with a public body? Like, is it a government job? Is that interesting?
Correct.
I was
Correct.
like,
Correct.
नहीं, ये
Correct.
9 to 5 नहीं होगा.
Okay, okay. No, so you appear to be also somebody who wants to take the charge on it, if one could say, like you like you said ना आप 4 बजे उठकर reply करते हो, and it's okay if I
हाँ,
switch to Hindi. A lot of our
yeah, sure.
audience also
हाँ,
is Hindi speaking, so
fine.
I do not mind it, and in fact कभी-कभी मैं जानबूझ के हिंदी में ही बात करता हूँ
नहीं नहीं
ताकि वो भी
बिल्कुल.
समझे, and language
हाँ.
is not a barrier for them. But एक बहुत सिंपल चीज जो मेरे को समझ में आ रही है कि आपको अच्छा लगता है इनिशिएटिव लेना, काम करना.
Hmm.
You said law is
Hmm.
very much a part of my life. You've blended it in accordingly also,
Yeah.
and that is something that comes out from your profile. अगर मैं independently इस चीज को समझना चाहूँ from the perspective of somebody who's choosing the traditional career path, आपने बोला ना day one पे clarity नहीं होती. In fact,
Hmm.
कुछ लोग claim भी करते हैं उन्हें clarity है. That can also be very minimalistic because you've just
2 साल बाद उनसे पूछो कि क्या कर रहे हो,
correct.
चेंज हो जाएगा.
Correct, correct. A lot of people, it happens to a lot of people. In fact, a lot of partners here have come in on this show and they're working at tier one law firms in India and abroad. Managing partners have come in and they've said that, okay, I started with litigation. I started with
Yeah.
disputes. I started enjoying litigation. But then over a period of time, I realized financial stability is one point that you talked about,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
A lot of people feel, अगर आपके connects नहीं है, maybe you need to give a longer amount of time. हो सकता है 15-20 साल बाद आप कहीं पे
Yeah.
वे बेटर देन
Yeah.
पर्टिकुलर सैलरी और अ जॉब, बट वो हो सकता है इज नॉट
Oh,
पॉसिबल
हाँ, it's
फॉर
not
एवरीवन.
guaranteed ना. हाँ.
करेक्ट. एंड आई थिंक एज समबडी हुज लाइक यू, आप कह रहे थे आपने 6,000 के लिए भी काम किया है, आप 6 करोड़ के लिए भी आज काम कर रहे हो. द डिफरेंस इज like I think the difference is very clear to somebody who's trying to understand how to figure out their niches also, is that you need to go through a certain phase and कोई हड़बड़ी नहीं है. I think you
हाँ.
need to stop looking around in terms of वो 25 में उसने जो है यहाँ काम कर लिया, 30 में उसकी शादी हो गई है, उसने गाड़ी ले ली,
नहीं, forget
एक्स हो
that
गया, वाई हो
timeline.
गया. करेक्ट, करेक्ट,
Let go.
let go. One very important thing that I wanted to understand, Ankita, and from this is more got less to do with law because you're also a mental health champion. You've been championing the cause for quite some time now.
Yeah.
आपने ये सब तो बात कर लिया कि इमोशनल टोल लेता है, एंड दिस इज एसेंशियली फ्रॉम द अदर साइड. व्हाई? बिकॉज आई डोंट यूज सोशल मीडिया, एंड आई डोंट यूज
Okay.
सोशल मीडिया फॉर अ रीजन. मतलब मेरी
Okay.
टीम सारा कुछ देखती है, वो XYZ हैंडल करते हैं, एंड देन देयर इज अ मे बी फॉर माय बिजनेस देयर इज अ सोशल मीडिया प्रोफाइल. आई पर्सनली फाउंड अ लॉट ऑफ डाउनसाइड्स to me
Hmm.
on social media.
Hmm.
I did not enjoy it much. XYZ, whatever is the reason, but I'll not talk about that today. I just wanted to understand, do you feel when somebody, especially students, put their hearts out? I know a lot of people after even watching this video might go on to LinkedIn, शायद वो अपना प्रोफाइल बना के लिखना शुरू कर दें. Not everybody gets the same response. Not
Hmm.
everybody लोगों को ये भी अफेक्ट करता है कि उनको कितनी लाइक्स आ रही हैं, कितने लोगों ने उनको रीच आउट
हाँ,
करा, कोई
करता
पढ़ भी
है.
रहा है कि नहीं, कोई
Hmm.
देख भी रहा है. आई थिंक एट द एंड ऑफ द डे दैट इज वेरी ह्यूमन टू फील.
Yeah.
डू यू फील
Normal.
आपके पर्सनल लाइफ से आप रिफ्लेक्ट कर सकते हो बिकॉज यू बिल्ट अ डिसेंट कम्युनिटी? हैज इट बीन कभी इसका भी आपको नेगेटिव इफेक्ट दिखता है that you put
हाँ,
yourself out there, right? You put out your struggles, you put out your
yeah.
issues कि ये बच्चे फेस कर रहे हैं, स्टूडेंट्स फेस कर रहे हैं राइट नाउ. तो इट इज ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड लॉट. आई थिंक लास्ट 1 year में आपकी जैसे राइटिंग है दैट इज वेरी प्रोफेशनल. somebody who's a senior business development manager वो उस तरह से लिखेंगे the way you've been writing, right? But in general अगर मैं शुरू कर दूं एज अ लॉ स्टूडेंट आपका वीडियो और ये एक होस्ट का वीडियो देख के मैं शुरू कर दूं लिंक्डइन पर लिखना, and if I'm not getting that response and all of that, what happens then? Like the social media become
See, first of all, you start, and initially तो नहीं होगा, 1 या 2 likes आ जाएंगे, वो भी आपके friends के होंगे.
okay.
So initially doesn't happen. I always say कि at least write thrice in a week, 4 times in a week, and keep changing content. One day you're writing about your struggles, then next time write about what you are learning in
Right,
your journey as a lawyer or a law student. Whatever you learned in the class today, write about that. Talk about your internship.
right,
कुछ तो काम करेगा. If you keep working on that, like keep writing for a month or two,
right,
एक पोस्ट तो जाएगा वायरल, या एक पोस्ट पे तो 10 लाइक तो आएंगे.
correct,
ऐसा
correct,
तो नहीं है कि you will not be visible for invisible for a long time,
right, right, right.
right? And use AI, like check your stats,
हाँ,
उसका screenshot लो, put it on Claude or Chat
okay.
GPT, say that these are my like analytics.
हाँ,
This is what I have been posting. Why is this not working?
right, right,
It
right.
will give you a full analysis
Answer.
of what to
Right,
do, what not to do.
correct,
We are
correct,
living in the age of AI. If something is not working, brainstorm with tools which are
correct,
free out there,
correct, correct. Prompt
right?
engineering essentially
हाँ, prompt
करो आप.
engineering, and
And-
like analyze yourself. Keep
right.
going back. So even today, I check my LinkedIn analytics every week or 2 weeks. कि
Hmm.
okay, my like views or engagement is going up or down. Like
Right,
why? What is the change? What people are liking? What is not working? And then I re-engineer that. I rework on that.
right.
So a lot of self analysis, lot of like analytics go into it.
Okay,
Keep checking, and that is for Upwork also. आप ये हर सोशल मीडिया में ये ऑप्शन होता है कि आपका एनालिसिस आप चेक कर सकते हो.
okay, okay.
उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लो, चैट जीपीटी पे डालो, सी कि ये पोस्ट मैं कर रहा हूँ, व्हाट इज वर्किंग, व्हाट शुड बी माय स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर नेक्स्ट 7 days, गिव मी अ
Correct,
कंटेंट कैलेंडर. इट विल
correct.
गिव यू.
Ah, nice, nice. These are all very real life insights, okay? ये actually बहुत help करता है. Thank you so much for sharing this. चाहे GPT, ये practical बातें हैं. कोई अगर आज
हाँ,
social media manager भी है, and if they're doing it, आप prompt engineering से you can understand a lot about
या
psychology, what people are doing. आप उसको बोल
या
सकते हो. For example, आप अगर मुझे freelance करना होगा तो मैं
हाँ
बोलूंगा you are Ankita Srivastava of
हाँ
freelancing and XYZ, whatever. Like, if you want to give a business prompt, you can say you're the Elon Musk of XYZ, XYZ, whatever
हाँ
it is. And then you've built 100+ companies, you've built XYZ, whatever. And then you, ऐसे prompts होते हैं बहुत, you can look up
हाँ,
those
ऐसे
prompts
prompts
and say,
होते हैं. You can write in that voice, you can use
correct,
that
correct.
tone and write. Something will click. People
Something
will
will click.
see. Something will click.
Okay. From your essence also I've gathered that करते रहो. एक बहुत simple बात है ना,
हाँ,
कुछ
लगे
अच्छा हो रहा है,
रहो.
बुरा हो रहा है, put your head down, keep working.
Yeah,
That is sort of
that's my mantra.
योर मंत्रा एसेंशियली.
Yeah.
एक मेरे को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात लगी आपके बायो में, आपने बोला इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस इज द न्यू वे ऑफ प्रैक्टिसिंग लॉ.
Yeah.
I want to understand what it looks like in a courtroom or a negotiation. Like, does empathy come into play while you're dealing with clients? What kind of a, ये बहुत different है. What do you mean by
Hmm.
that? I just wanted to in general also.
Yeah, so this is very interesting, and this I figured out, and I see lawyers are generally seen as people who are very strict and hard to talk to.
Okay.
That's the image I got. So when people initially saw me, there's like, नहीं आप लॉयर कैसे बनोगे, आप तो लाइक इतने सॉफ्ट स्पोकन हो, a lot of my relatives like, you can't even like raise your voice, how will you become a lawyer?
Okay.
I was like, okay. I used to doubt myself also, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
but you need quality in your arguments, not in your voice.
that is what the perception, right?
Right,
The
right.
perception is you need to be argumentative, you need to like be very dominant and that kind of
Hmm.
person to be a lawyer.
Hmm.
But there are other ways also,
Right,
especially when you're communicating with client, and that's where to win your client. So
right.
with freelancing, with your independent practice, even in your job, you will be communicating with a lot of people, right? um And when you get on a call, first call with your client, and imagine a scenario where you want to convince your client to get hired. That's one of the most difficult part of the whole process. So if you, again, you talk about the client, that's fine. We have all like talked about it. But then make the client feel understood in their problem. ठीक है, अगर मैंने 15 minutes की कॉल रखी है, फ्री कॉल है, 15 minutes की डिस्कवरी कॉल, आई माइट स्ट्रेच इट टू 30 minutes. ठीक है, if the client is talking about their problem, like they had a fight with their business partner and अभी dispute चल रहा है, I have to negotiate, they will have a lot of emotional turmoil also going with it. And if I keep just talking about the legality of it, कि आपने ये नहीं किया, ये होना चाहिए था, अब ऐसे करेंगे, they'll be like, okay, I'll talk to 5 other people and then I'll see.
Right.
But if I make the client understood, that I understand that things happen and you're going through a difficult time right now, things like that, it makes a world of a difference. So to make the client feel understood, then they will connect with you. Then they say, okay, मैंने 4 और लोगों से बात करी, but this person understood me.
Okay.
So you will get hired eventually.
करेक्ट नहीं, बिकॉज ऑल्सो ये चीज भी वर्क करी ना इस केस में कि यार दे एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आर डीलिंग विथ ह्यूमंस. ये चीज आई थिंक बहुत लोग भूल जाते हैं. आप उसके सामने भी जो बैठा है बंदा, वो भी तो इंसान ही है ना, मतलब तो उस हिसाब से. बट ऑल्सो अंकिता, मोर टू द नेगोशिएशन पार्ट ऑल्सो, आई नो इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट यू सेड. I loved how you spoke about, and all the introverts who are watching it, a lot of the people who do not want to, just shout randomly, and everybody is not a specific kind of a lawyer. And don't gather your image of a lawyer from a Bollywood film. That is not how law works in reality in most of the cases. But ये जो बात है, in general skill sets की भी negotiation कितना important है?
Very important.
How do you like, there are so many books around it. If you had to recommend like 1 or 2 very important skills, okay, मान लो आप मेरे साथ अभी कोई अगर negotiate कर रहे हो, हम कोई मैटर पे बात कर रहे हैं, and I'm saying, no Ankita, I cannot pay you $200 for this, आप मेरे को $150 में करके ये दे दो. Then what would be your strategy? And this is probably like a case study also. हम थोड़े ऐसे case problems जैसी चीजें कर सकते हैं आपके साथ, which is very unique to you. And I think that is one thing that I think every law student will love also, because ये एक sales का भी issue है. The thing that you're doing, आप actually में you are a lawyer, but आप actually में business development का काम कर रहे हो. Client को close करना, इस client को convince करना. तो आप sales भी खुद ही कर रहे हो, legal part भी खुद ही कर रहे हो, correct?
अभी I decided कि MBA भी कर ही लेते हैं.
Right, that is where the MBA also comes into picture. So, but how would you negotiate? What is your approach and strategy in this? If somebody says, and I've also seen a lot of your writing around how to identify red flags for a client. हमेशा ना हम सर्विस प्रोवाइडर का रेड फ्लैग देखते हैं, but if you are a service provider, there is another side.
That's a big thing. That's huge.
Yes, please. I'll give you the floor.
Would love to talk about it, because these are some hard lessons I learned.
Okay.
And so on Upwork you can check the client history and all, but even after that, the client might have red flags, and I'll tell you some. But first, let me answer your question. If you want something done in $200 and client wants $150, that's a negotiable deal. Problem comes in where I want $500 to be paid and client is like $150 ही pay करूँगा.
Okay.
Then I'm like, this is not my client. Leave. This is not my client, because client will not even come to 350, 400. I'll have to tone down. It's better to find a client who is within like my ICP, which is my ideal client profile.
Okay.
Right.
So you have an ideal client profile. I want to know about that also. How do I as an individual law student make an ideal client profile?
See, initially you take in everything. Initially I worked with like $7 per hour client also, because I wanted to build a reputation on the platform.
Correct.
Right. So initially you don't have any ICPs or criterias, you work with everything. But as you grow, as I crossed $100K on the platform, I changed my strategy that at least like $300 to $400 minimum. If a client comes with like 150 budget, that is not my client. That's like too low value. That client can go for somebody who is starting out on the platform,
Okay. Okay.
right? But with the negotiation, अगर client बोलता है 150 मेरा budget है कि मैं 200 में करूँगी, then I'll say okay, I will come down from 200. There is no like, I won't be very like fixed to the price. Where can you meet me halfway? Can we
Okay.
do it at 180,
Right. Right.
175?
Right.
And most probably the client will, because I am also getting
Yeah.
flexible, right? I am also
Right.
not stuck to 200. So
Right.
client will be like, चलो ठीक है 175 मैं कर लेते हैं,
Okay, okay. So
180 भी कर
you
लेते हैं.
have a very hard line set for people who are, ये बहुत important भी है. I think initially also ना, अगर आप कोई भी, जैसे आप बता रहे हो कि कोई भी clients ले लो, $60, $10, I think वो also depends on maybe the clientele type. And you've worked with so many clients. I know of people who are working in the freelancing space and they're not doing it through a platform जहां पर उनके पास वो से है, later on the client is
हाँ
refused to
हाँ,
even give money and XYZ. ऐसे
yeah,
toxic लोग भी हैं, right, on the other
a
side.
lot,
A lot. Do you want to
everywhere.
talk more about it?
Yeah, yeah, I have.
Because whenever I start speaking about it, like, yeah, I would love to talk. So
Would
please,
love like plethora
yeah.
of experiences and
You
off
don't have to
platform
name the
also.
person, but you can
No, no,
obviously
of
tell me about
course.
your experiences.
See,
Yeah.
I will tell some early signs to detect a
Okay.
red flag
Okay.
client.
Okay.
ठीक
Okay.
है? A client comes to you and asks कि मुझे कल ही काम चाहिए.
Uh,
Very like
randomly.
मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. Like if it's
Randomly.
a Saturday, मुझे
हाँ.
Sunday शाम तक चाहिए because Monday I have to like get it signed or file.
Hmm.
भाई like run away.
Hmm.
And Monday that client will come back and say, "Arey, you did not do it well."
हाँ.
And they will not take into account that you had a very short amount of time to understand the scenario, to understand the
Right.
situation, and to draft and do everything. And you
Right.
did it on a weekend.
Right.
They'll say they'll come with a very short deadline, and
Correct.
then they will argue on the price also. कि हम
Hmm.
इतना कर रहे हैं बट हमारा बजट भी इतना ही है. So like,
Right.
and they will sense you are desperate to get hired. You want work.
Hmm.
These clients will know. So be prepared to handle in a way that whatever you do, they will come back with complaints. They will ask for extra reviews also.
Hmm.
So make sure if you're doing it off platform, you get paid prior, I would say.
Ah.
On platform
Hmm.
hai, so you will get paid. I mean, there are ways. But
Hmm.
off platform, take prior, take some leverage that because US lawyers don't work on weekends. US people don't find anyone to get their work done on weekends. They find Indian lawyers only,
Right. Right.
right? Because they know that we want work.
No, and work cultures are also very different. Matlab, I
हाँ
know of
हाँ,
walking off at 5. If they're walking off at 5 or walking off at 6, they're walking off at 6.
yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि 9:30 बॉस का फोन आ रहा है तो you
No,
still have
no,
to pick
no.
up
It's
on your
not
dinner table. It's
considered
very,
good. It's not considered
yeah.
ethical also that you
It's
can
considered quite
contact.
unhealthy actually out of
Yes.
this.
Yes.
Okay.
So they find like clients like these, they find Indian lawyers and
Hmm.
वो ना, and especially a person who's starting out won't know this.
Right, right.
They'll say, okay, I got a client, I'll get paid, and I will get in the good books of the client if I do this work.
Right, right.
But then it turns out into a horror story.
Ah, okay, okay, okay,
Okay, so this has happened with me.
okay.
So a lot of stories like that. So beware if a client is asking for a short deadline, say, and sometimes the matters are very complicated. There's a
Okay.
litigation deadline, and the client
Hmm,
is like, I
hmm.
have only the weekend. My previous lawyer ran. He
अच्छा.
he went away, he's
Hmm,
ill or something.
hmm.
And I want to get this done.
हाँ.
Just make sure you get paid. It will be a headache client, but at least get paid.
Okay, okay.
ठीक है.
So this has
और
happened to you. ऐसा भी होता
हाँ,
है कि लोग जैसे ऐसी प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे अपवर्क वगैरह, आई एम नॉट समबडी who's done freelancing like this, but like I mostly do it through companies, agencies, XYZ. अगर मुझे काम करना होता because that leverage is there. वो एजेंसी
या
आपके लिए झगड़ा करती है, आप अपना
हाँ
पेमेंट
हाँ,
ले लो एंड बट अगर आप अपवर्क पे कर रहे हो, मान लो कि आपने अच्छा काम किया, you
या
did fabulously well and the client, but there are certain people who, even if, like, let's say they did not communicate something properly, this
या
communication part of what expectation you had. For
या
example, I'll tell you from my own real life. हमने XYZ क्लाइंट, एक एक्स क्लाइंट के साथ हमने certain set of deliverables promise किए, okay, and we gave it out to them in contract and XYZ. और उन्होंने उस समय they watched it, they were very happy that we are onboarded and they completed it. 5 months later, we've delivered everything that is part of the deliverable, but they seemed a little dissatisfied because they had more expectations. Now, their whatever expectations that they had has got nothing to do with the deliverables at hand, but because we work in a setup wherein we are like, yeah, ultimately client priority है, and we don't work कि एक बार काम कर लिया बाहर जा. We don't
हाँ,
work with that
we don't
mindset.
work with
We
that. हाँ,
want to have that
yeah.
relationship also with the client कि ठीक है भाई, आप फ्यूचर में भी कभी आप बच कर जाओगे, कभी वो बच कर जाएंगे. That is a healthy environment to work with.
Yeah.
But there are people who suddenly have more expectations than what was delivered, and you know that was agreed upon. और ऐसा भी
हम्म
होता है in return कि आपको वो नेगेटिव रिव्यू दे देते हैं, because I
हम्म
think इन प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे रिव्यू बहुत मैटर करता है, या
बहुत
वो आपको
मैटर
रिपोर्ट
करता है.
कर देते हैं कि ऐसा कुछ
Yeah,
होता है.
yeah,
फिर क्या करते हैं?
yeah,
What is the recourse about that? Like, do you have you ever faced a situation
yeah,
like
yeah, a
have?
lot, a lot.
Once in a while you just keep saying, oh no, this has happened a lot. Yeah, but what do you, how do you come to your, like, मैं छोड़ो client की बात छोड़ो, like आपके साथ जब होता है तो as an individual आप कैसे उस चीज से go through करते हो, या
Yeah, initially it was very disturbing that I have done so
हम्म
much work and I've given everything, my all my time, all my energy, and then the client is asking for a refund.
हाँ
That
हाँ
happens.
हाँ हाँ
But then, on Upwork especially, if you refund the client, they
हाँ
can't leave a review because
ओ
the contract is like no more there. So it won't be visible on your
ओके
profile.
ओके ओके
So I have refunded in those cases because
हाँ
a review is more valuable to me. I've
हाँ
refunded like $500, sometimes $1,000. Le lo, but I will make up with my next client. I'll learn this lesson, go
हम्म
on, make sure that my communication is better
हम्म
with my next client,
हम्म
and but I'll not get a 1-star review.
हम्म
So it's more about reputation for me.
करेक्ट करेक्ट. नहीं, ये दिस आई थिंक फॉर अ पर्सन हु इज वर्किंग ओवर अ प्लेटफॉर्म, दिस इज अ वेरी स्मार्ट.
हाँ,
मैं आपको, जैसे मैं एक प्रोडक्ट खरीद रहा हूँ, अगर
हाँ,
मैं अमेजन से, मान लो आई एम ड्रिंकिंग क्रैनबेरी जूस टुडे एंड
हाँ.
आई एम ड्रिंकिंग इट हियर इन दिस ग्लास, वट एवर, मैं
Hmm.
इस कंपनी की ग्लास को सर्च करता हूँ, या मैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स खरीद रहा हूँ, कोई भी चीज खरीद रहा हूँ, अगर
Hmm.
मेरे को 200 रिव्यूज 1 या 2 स्टार के दिखते हैं, and out of 1,000 reviews I'm saying this, 800 are good, there is
Hmm.
some sort of skepticism
Yeah.
in my head,
You'll
right?
find somebody else who has better reviews.
Right. I
That's
think
the
for a
thing.
service provider, this is a very important
Yeah.
advice. You are
Yeah.
somebody who's even returned the money. This is something very
Yeah.
different, and you
It's
protect
it's
your.
difficult also
Hmm.
because you were expecting certain amount to come in that month, and now that a part of that is gone back to the client.
कभी कभी आपको नहीं लगता कि यार ये लोग मिसयूज कर रहे हैं इस चीज का?
हाँ, करते हैं.
करते
I would say करते
हैं.
हैं. That's what I'm saying. These are the hard lessons. But
Okay.
after every such client, I think, कि how can I improve myself so that this doesn't happen? How do I improve my client communication so that expectations are set right from day one?
Hmm.
And a lot of these times, initially, the problem was on my end also. Sometimes I did not communicate well.
Okay.
And then I learned that, okay, I need to be very clear with what are the deliverables, how many reviews are included, by
Right.
what time will I deliver.
Frame. Correct.
Yes, everything needs to be crystal clear, and most important, get on a call with the client. Don't discuss everything on that chat option.
Hmm.
जितना कॉल पे डिस्कस करके क्लियर करोगे बेटर रहेगा, बिकॉज क्लैरिटी इज नंबर वन.
Right. 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 Right.
राइट, एंड इवन इफ यू आर डिलेड ऑन डेडलाइंस, एंड दैट हैपेंस, वी आर ऑल ह्यूमंस. हाँ,
Hmm.
कभी होता है कि
Hmm.
संडे रात को डिलीवर करना है, बट वो मंडे हो जाता है.
Hmm.
With US clients and with I feel with every client, communicate it that I am like it's taking more time
Hmm.
than anticipated. So
Hmm.
I'll get back and send you the document or whatever it is by Monday morning.
Hmm.
Problem comes when you don't communicate, and I've made those mistakes. I
Okay.
won't say that I've been like perfect from day one. Still not perfect. Made those mistakes because I thought ठीक है काम कर रही हूँ ना, मतलब deliver कर दूंगी, like I'll send it by
Right.
Monday. What will happen?
Right. Right. Right.
Client was
Right.
expecting on Sunday. So
करेक्ट
little
नहीं
nuance.
ऑल्सो आई थिंक ये आप मतलब आपका पर्सपेक्टिव भी ऐसा है कि आप अपने पे ज्यादा काम कर रहे हो तो यू आर
हाँ,
ऑलवेज थिंकिंग लाइक यू नो व्हाट आई कैन डू बेटर फ्रॉम योर एंड एंड आई थिंक दैट इज द ओनली थिंग इन योर कंट्रोल ये जो आप वीडियो वाली भी
या,
बात कर रहे हो मैं आपसे चैट पे बात कर लूं एंड आई
हाँ,
टॉक टू यू लाइक 10 टाइम्स ओके एंड नाउ
हाँ,
आई एम हैविंग दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन विथ यू जमीन आसमान का अंतर है
yes,
आई
exactly.
थिंक अगर कल को मुझे लगेगा कि यार कोई बात नहीं अगर निशंक ने मंडे बोला था ट्यूसडे हो गया एंड इफ इट्स
हम्म,
नॉट दैट इम्पोर्टेंट टू मी बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं है कि पीपल आर लाइक आपको मंडे 6 बजे बोला था तो मंडे 7 बजे क्यों दिया इट
हाँ,
ऑल डिपेंड्स इन द काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप यू वर्कड
yes,
अपॉन विद द
yes.
क्लाइंट तो आई थिंक वो जब आप बात करते हो जो बात आपने ये भी बोली कि मैं हियर आउट कर लेती हूँ उनके अदर इश्यूज को फ्रस्ट्रेशन को बहुत
हम्म.
सारे डिस्प्यूट्स में और अदर चीजें होती है
Sometimes clients are frustrated by a lot of other things and वो सब lawyer पे भी निकल जाता है.
हाँ
Get on a call, talk to them. That will
करेक्ट
resolve a lot. Initially, I
करेक्ट
thought, okay, chat पे करा, उन्होंने मुझे offer भेज दिया, I have a contract, I'll get the work done. My job is done. But
राइट
then I started facing issue as I thought I need to improve my communication, get on a call. Like my aim with a client when I onboard is to get on a call with them and then get hired, not to get hired on a message.
ओके ओके
That changes a lot.
all right Ankita thank you so much you've shared so many insights I've not taken a note of the time also I think back to back this will be the longest show that I've done in 2026 and there is always a lot to talk to you about in general also मतलब मेरे को कभी ऐसा फील नहीं होता है कि you know I am doing like an interview जब मैं
Yeah.
I sit across with you there is a lot that in general you have फेज और आप बहुत जेन्युइनली और ऑनेस्टली अपनी सारी चीजें ना खोल के रख देते हो which
Yeah.
is a very good thing about you and I really appreciate that because I think वो barrier रहता है बहुत लोगों के mind में they see this perfect picture of somebody like अंकिता श्रीवास्तव को कोई LinkedIn पे अगर देखता है and you know they see the profile and they are like यार so many clients close she's worked across
हाँ,
so many
हाँ,
spaces she's
हाँ,
won so many awards this
हाँ,
that XYZ whatever Harvard XY and then
हाँ.
cut to this then Ankita is like यार problems तो होती हैं यार
Oh,
मतलब
it's inevitable.
yeah so this is I think this is the real part of life
Yeah.
also and also of law अगर आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो अपना करियर ऑल्सो अपवर्क पे टेक्निकल में सवाल पूछ लेता हूँ एंड वील मूव टुवर्ड्स क्लोजिंग ऑफ द शो बिकॉज आई स्पोकन टू यू फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम मेरी टीम ने 2-3 बार मेरे को टैप्स भेज दिए हैं कि बट जस्ट टुवर्ड्स द आइडिया ऑफ द टेक्निकल पार्ट ऑल्सो आई थिंक यू नीड टू बाई फ्यू थिंग्स कुछ अपवर्क पे
Connects.
खरीदना पड़ता है कनेक्ट्स
Yes. हाँ,
एंड देन आप आगे भेजते हो
हाँ,
एंड देन
हाँ.
यू कैन so it's worth buying according to you
Yeah.
आप आपको
It's not expensive.
okay
Like if you invest like 1500 for a month,
right
आप 100 connects ले सकते हो and उसको use कर सकते हो to apply for jobs.
right right
Right. But वही आपको strategy थोड़ा करना पड़ेगा because if you just
Hmm.
keep applying,
You're not going to get any results
no, and then you'll see कि I spent so much, I did not
Hmm.
get clients, and then your motivation will go down.
Hmm.
So strategy के साथ करो कौन से clients को apply करना है कौन सी job कर सकते हो
Hmm.
प्रपोजल को ध्यान से बनाओ ये नहीं
Hmm.
कॉपी पेस्ट कर दिया 10 jobs में सेम
Hmm.
प्रपोजल दैट्स अ
Hmm.
प्रॉब्लम
Hmm.
सो पेन पॉइंट कैप्चर करो राइट अ प्रपोजल रीच आउट एंड व्हेन यू पुट इन द वर्क ना तो रिप्लाई आता ही है
Okay. Okay. I like the conviction. Do you use AI also for all of this? You know what your
recently I have started
okay.
हाँ recently but like with caution that
Yeah.
it should not look like AI generated. So I always give a prompt, make it like it's written by a human.
हाँ बट लेकिन कॉपी पेस्ट अगर आप नहीं कर रहे और एआई को सही से यूज कर रहे हो तो मतलब आपका काम स्मूदर ही होगा लाइक ऐसा
हाँ
नहीं कि मैंने वट एवर आई टेकन हियर मैंने उठाया और वही छाप दिया
नहीं
राइट
नहीं
ऑन द
नहीं
अदर साइड ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट इज नॉट द केस यू मेक इट
नहीं
वेरी कस्टमाइज्ड एंड टेलर
yeah
मेड
I gave a lot of prompts to make it like specific to how I want it to be
ओके
you know to like it matches my voice and it matches what I want to say not should not seem generic
राइट
so learn AI also I would say like keep experimenting go on a tool keep trying how it works and you'll figure it out
Okay. So let's say this is my this is my final question, and then we'll just take your end comments on the show. Wherein, if you say positive things about the show, we'll clip that and put it in front of the episode. No, but in general, if there was this last advice you could give, okay, you could not, let's say, कल से आप law नहीं कर सकते, आप फील्ड स्विच कर रहे हो और आपको हैंड ओवर करने हैं रेंज इसके, करेक्ट, एक फाइनल एडवाइस जो
Oh
अंकिता
God.
श्रीवास्तव नहीं नहीं आप कर रहे हो, दैट्स जस्ट द हाइपोथेटिकल पार्ट ऑफ इट. अगर दिस इज द सिचुएशन, ओके, एंड यू हैव टू बी लाइक, आई हैव टू let Nishank know, or whatever that viewer know, that this is everything that I can tell you in one answer, that this is my final advice to you, and this is something, and you cannot say keep going on, because that is already the core of your message. Any other message that you have for the law students is your final message, that this is something that if I were starting today, this is something I would do, definitely do
I would learn AI. I think that's
today.
today. I would learn AI and automate and optimize each of my profile with AI. If I'm making a Upwork profile, use the right keywords and use AI how to create my Upwork profile, create my bio with AI. Claude is a great tool.
Great tool.
Even LinkedIn, and I would create my content calendar, prepare an entire strategy of how to like start my career, kick off my career in 1 year, and religiously follow that. Don't underestimate AI tool. It's changing how things work. So I would do that. I follow that for different things, and it has worked. It took me from 100K to 200K on Upwork.
Correct.
Right. So do that, and you will fail. You will face failures. People will make you feel down. This will happen. The clients will make you feel that you are not enough. Your peers will not like, they will not be in contact with you. That might happen. All these
Correct.
things happen. You will face failures. You will have sleepless nights.
Right.
You will feel like this is not doable. But like I know I've repeated this, but keep doing it. Keep doing the same thing and
Right.
improve at it. Don't
Right.
switch that आज ये कर रहे हैं, कल कुछ और कर लिया. आज LinkedIn पे करा है, एक महीना फिर भूल गए LinkedIn को, या
Right.
एक हफ्ता भूल गए. Keep doing, like pick 2-3 things and keep consistency at it. No matter what, दुनिया कुछ भी बोले, कुछ भी हो, keep like getting better at it. That is the only way to be successful, I feel. Only way.
Correct. And I think you very beautifully also put it out. I think it goes well with the saying that, I'm not afraid of a man who has practiced 10,000 different kicks. I'm afraid of a man who has done that one kick 10,000 times. So you pick up a niche and then you keep hammering on it, you keep hammering on it. And then at the end of the day, you will find the road. Sometimes it takes longer than required. And I can definitely tell you, if you're watching this, that bhai, we are also with you. You can reach out. I know I don't use any social media, but अगर आप मेरे comment section पे भी कभी कुछ लिखते हो ना, and if you have a genuine problem, I'll help you, and I don't get anything out of this, at least for now. I don't make any money out of it, but इस चीज का आप ध्यान रखो कि अगर आप अपने struggle से go through कर रहे हो ना, तो ऐसे हजारों लाखों, especially इंडिया में करोड़ों लोग हैं जो वो similar struggle से go through कर रहे हैं, and it is very important. And I think, Ankita, you've been the most, I can put it hands down, you've been one of the most relatable guests on this show. And I am actually a little disappointed in myself that I did not bring somebody like you earlier, because you're so raw, you're honest, and you're at most, especially to all the law students, I think you'll be really, really relatable.
I hope
And
so.
we'll take your final comment on the show, like I said, and we'll wrap up with that and with a few words for you, and then we'll conclude the show on that note. Please, if you have anything else to say about
Yeah,
the show.
I loved being a part of it. It didn't feel like being a guest. It felt like having a conversation with somebody on real things of law, because everybody talks about the technical aspects,
Right.
How to create a profile, how to reach out to client, but there is so many aspects to it.
Right.
So many times, from education to the struggle in between to especially figuring out your niche.
Right.
So, and the emotional aspect of it, the loneliness of it, having a right mentor, so many things. So I think you brought out the right conversation out of me. I could answer only because you asked the right questions.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So
That's it. That's the highlight. Thank you so much. We've gotten that statement, and then we. Okay. All right. I think, and just like that, the floor closes. I think, but the thinking does not. And if today sparked a question in your head, it is also to our completely to our guests' credit. In fact, or unsettled the comfort zone, or made you look at your ambition also a little differently with all the strategic planning, the use of artificial intelligence, or with the understanding of the fact that you can take your time to figure out your niche. I think we are done with your job, our jobs here, Ankita. I don't think the show was ever about noise, and I don't talk actually. मैं कभी भी I don't think I feel this comfortable also कि मैं बात करता हूँ बहुत ज्यादा शो के बारे में. You can see all my clips. I generally do not, but I don't think even today's episode with you was about any noise. मेरे को
yeah.
एक simple leverage देना था to everybody who's watching, and that's why I onboarded you. I didn't want any claps for this. It's not that, you know, we joke about it कि हम आपका यूज कर लेंगे and all of that, but मैं legal leash पे नहीं stick करता अगर मुझे करना होता तो. I would have just invited a
Yeah.
Bollywood guest celebrity and I would be getting like
Yeah.
millions of views
Yeah.
already, right? So I think the show has always been about clarity and not about going viral. I think it's about what's valuable to you and to everybody who's sort of watching this show today. So take what you heard and do something very dangerous with it, but in the positive way. Build, negotiate, rethink, pivot, and execute. And I don't think the world really rewards spectators, boss. It rewards players who understand the board. So if you're a student of the game, until the next conversation, stay sharp, stay curious, and most importantly, I think play your own gambit. This is the open floor, and the floor is always on. Signing off on behalf of both of us today. Thank you so much for joining us for this show. Thank you so much, Ankita. It was a pleasure hosting you today.
Thank you so much.